I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey guys, welcome back to Half Baked Hair Review. So today I'm going to be doing a review on a unit that I have seen reviews on and in this color, but I liked it. I've tried it before, so I figured I would just review on camera. So this is from the Sensationnel What Lace, and it is the Celeste. I got it in the color MONEYPIECE HAZEL. So this is one of the 13x6 pre-plucked lace frontals. These, I have tried them. One thing I did notice the difference between Celeste and the others is the lace is a little bit darker, which I like because I feel like for darker skinned girls, the darker lace helps it blend more easily because we don't want to have to pound a bunch of concealer on it for it to look like it's coming out of our scalp. So here's what the stock card looks like for it. And it is the 13x6 ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand tied parting. It's pre-plucked, says it has a natural density, says it has undetectable flawless hairline, and it also has baby hairs. So let me just take this out of the box and show you what this looks like. So straight out of the box, this is what Miss Celeste is looking like. The curls are really beautiful. I really like this color. It does have the baby hairs, as you can see, all around the hairline. It's pre-plucked. And as I was saying, this lace is a little bit darker than the other ones from this What Lace line. The combs are near your ears. You'll got 2 of those. And then you'll have one in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. So let me just pop this on and show you what it looks like. So this is what Celeste looks like with the lace still on. I really do like these glamorous curls that got going on. The texture definitely feels, it's not silky at all. It feels like medium Yaki for sure. Like you can tell with this one within time it's gonna get more of that Yaki feel to it. It definitely does initially have a more Yaki texture though. So the density is nice and full. This is everything to the front. The length goes right below my boobs, so it has a nice natural length as well. So I'm gonna just cut off this lace, put some concealer, and see if I can do a couple styles for you. I'm hoping it doesn't get too tangled, but I guess we'll see how this works. so I know I normally do multiple styles, but to be honest, with this unit, I feel like the most I could pretty much do was the middle and side without it tangling too much. Although you do have all this 13 by 6 space for parting and different style options, I wouldn't suggest doing too much with it. I would pretty much suggest when you get it, kind of setting 1 to 2 different styles that you can flop between, because from what I was experiencing, it kind of does tangle straight out of the box, which is to be expected with longer synthetic units. But I do also feel like there have been different units I've tried straight out of the box and been able to get multiple styles going without too much tangling or shedding. But this one just seemed like it was kind of turning a little bit too much for me, and obviously I don't want to wreck the hair before I even really get the chance to sort of wear it out and about and start just already looking crazy just because I try to do a bunch of different styling options. So I mean, I do like it, but I would, just like I said, suggest if you get it, pretty much just setting a couple different styles you're going to do like within time versus like trying to play around and get a bunch of different styles going, because then you're probably not going to really get the best wear out of it. So right now, I mean, it's pretty good, not really tangling and shedding crazy. It just seemed more so when I was actually parting it and trying to set the lines and everything like that is when I started sort of running into issues. So the length, once again, is right below my boobs. This is everything to the front, so this is to the side. And this is everything to the back. So I do like this unit. I really like the color a lot. I like the fact that with this specific unit from the What Lace Celeste, that it wasn't too bad trying to conceal the lace. The lace wasn't super white, the same way that the other units from this line were. I like the amount of parting space you get, the fact that you do have the option to do different parting styles if you wanted to, and I also like the fact that when I did part it and lay it, it wasn't work trying to actually get it to lay down and look natural. I pretty much just went from the middle, got it to the side, flopped it over, and it was good to go. I didn't need any heat or anything like that. Didn't need to pluck the hairline, didn't need to cut baby hairs, so that's always a plus for me. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, just give me a like, just give me a subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.